Hi everybody! Let's learn today the correct pronunciation of the consonant cluster TH. The consonant cluster TH has two pronunciations. It has a voiceless pronunciation and a voiced pronunciation. Let's study the voiceless TH sound. To pronounce the TH correctly, you have to put your tongue between your teeth, like this. For the voiceless pronunciation, put your tongue between your teeth and release air. Let's see some example words with the voiceless TH. Thunder, birthday, earthworm, math, mouth. Did you get it? Repeat that part of the audio and listen to the correct pronunciation of TH. Now, let's see the voiced pronunciation of TH. To make the voiced sound of TH, you have to put your tongue between your teeth, the same position as the voiceless sound. Now, the voiced pronunciation of TH sounds like a D. The. Now let's see some examples with voiced TH. Them, these, father, other, clothe, breathe. Now practice the pronunciation of and the.